So when we first started to think about what we wanted to do for our masterclass, we were thinking about all different types of concepts, and we really started to think about how different we were as stylists and how we could bring that together.
We eventually came to the concept of the yin and yang, which I think is perfectly came at the right time, the idea, and is reflecting perfectly on both of us, the different styles of both of us, because you always go for a lot more softer look and more prettier, softer kind of tone, and where I like things a lot more edgier, harder, darker. So I think the concept is something that I think is really special between both of us.
Our colour palettes can be so different and our styling can be so different. We were both on the same page when it came to technique.
I remember when we got the colour swatching right.
Yeah.
I remember that moment that we said like, yeah, this is the right one now. We just absolutely need to get the base colour absolutely right. So we came to the concept of yin and yang. When you think in every day, we're already living in a yin and yang, concept of elements, and we have day and night, we have the sun and the moon. Yeah,
we have warmth versus cool, we have hard versus soft, so water versus fire.
Absolutely.
All of those elements and all of those, and how yin and yang takes those opposites and brings them together and balances them, that one thing can't exist without the other.
Yeah.
So you have to have the water with the fire, for example, and you cannot have day without night. And so it was taking that idea of things being opposite and then bringing them together.
And also that symbolizing our masterclass is going to be a perfection.
Yes. We came up with the idea of specular reflection, which is the idea of light reflecting from the water and having that kind of one element that runs through the middle, and then all of the colours fading out from that middle point.
Yeah, it's almost like you said, it says, it's very simple. It says on the name, reflection, specular reflection. So it's like a mirror reflection from the center point. And I think this is something that I have not seen being done before, especially the way we putting together with the whole technique.
Yeah, I love the fact that we have that center point that runs right through the middle and just creates that impactful center point, and that everything kind of mirrors from there and spreads out from there, and how we've then taken our color palettes in completely different directions, and mine fades out to lightness and softness, and yours fades out to
darkness,
dark, edgy.
We have come together such a good team. Yes,